In this video I'm gonna show you how to apply the leather care balm from AutoGlym. So I will use this product, and in addition to apply this product I will be using one polish applicator. So it's a sponge with some nice texture, and I will show the whole process to apply it. So I just applied for the other seats, so it looks a bit wet. It just takes one day to dry, and yesterday I applied to the back seats, so they look pretty dry now. So the best way is to spread it here a little bit, and then take it away from this handle, and then to mix it properly I do this. So divide it in the middle, and then it's everywhere now. I apply the handle, maybe you have one with handle already, and then start spreading it in the seats everywhere. Okay, when the seat is covered with the balm, what I do is I wait just a few minutes, and then I will pass this again to buff the balm, so that it's actually very well spread. And that's it, the balm has been applied. The seat looks pretty wet, same for that one. I also applied the balm in the armrests over there, and I'm gonna show you how it looks tomorrow. So another day passed, and this is how it looks, the seat. As you can see, the balm has been completely absorbed, so now it's safe to sit there. You can see the whole seat is all dry now, and the same over here, and I can show the other seat. Alright, so this one looks like it's not yet fully absorbed. There is some wet parts here still. What I was reading is that it might take 2 days to fully absorb the balls, and yeah, or maybe I applied too much, so I can buff it a little bit with a sponge that I was using yesterday. Yeah, I'm gonna wait another day and see what happens to this seat. I waited 3 days actually, and you see it's still a bit wet, and if I touch it there is still some greasy feeling of the balm. So I think what I did is that I applied too much, and probably I didn't spray it so well. Over here it's perfect, it's just this upper part that is a bit looking gloss, and also this side support here also looks a bit glossy compared to the other one. Yeah, if you try to do this, spray it very well. I tried already to buff it a little bit, but it didn't help so much. It just hides a little bit the glossy thing. So if you do it yourself, don't do this mistake. And that's it for this video.